The Big Easy oilless turkey fryer with its infrared technology was first launched in 2007, and since then it has grown and now does way more than turkeys. Alright, so we bought this off of the Home Shopping Network. I believe it was in 2016. We finally just unboxed this a couple weeks ago. We are very excited to use it. My husband's out right now getting us some propane for it. And in the meantime, before we even got the propane, before we've even used it, he built this handy dandy little cart for it. Is it not so cute? So the propane will go in here. It gives you a little tabletop, place to hang stuff. How awesome is that?